Hi there, my name is Saba and I'm the founder of Klip Coupons. Today in this video, we're going to do a quick video walkthrough on how to install Klip Coupons on your Shopify store. So the first part is to download the application from the Shopify App Store. Once you've downloaded and installed the app on your store, you'll be greeted with a quick three-part onboarding series here. And we'll go ahead and walk through that right now. So the first step is to enable the app in the theme customizer for your active theme. And in order to do that, we'll go ahead and click the first step here. It'll automatically open up a new tab with your app embeds. And we'll make sure that our Klip app is enabled. It should automatically be turned on and enabled. And go ahead and click Save. That'll enable the app in your theme. The second step is to customize the placement of the coupon widget on your product page. So we went ahead and clicked the second step, and that'll open up your product page here. And we have our sections here. So we have our title, our add to cart button. And what we'll do is we'll click add block. We'll go to apps, click on the Klip app, and we'll go ahead and drag it, let's say, above the add to cart button. Drag it above the buy buttons here, and go ahead and save that. And as you can see, this is just a preview, just so you can see kind of the placement, and you can adjust it as well if you'd like. However, I do recommend keeping it above the add to cart button and make sure that it's saved there. And the last step is to create and publish your coupon. So we'll go ahead and give this coupon a name. Call it Summer Sale. We'll say 10% off coupon. Select our product here. And we can either select a product, a variant of a product, a collection, or based upon tags as well. But in this case, we've just selected a single product to test. We can also go ahead and schedule the start and stop time for the coupon. And we have some great options here for coupon eligibility for how we can enable users to see the coupon as well. Lastly, we have coupon customization settings here. So we're able to adjust certain things like the font size on the coupon, the different colors of the background on the coupon. So for example, you can change that here, and the different text on the coupon as well. I could say something like that as well, but we'll just keep it coupon. And once we have all of our settings dialed in, we can go ahead and click Save. And just to preview this, we'll view the product here. And as you can see, we now have this 10% coupon that's applied to the product. And just to give it a test on our end, we can go ahead and clip it, add to cart, see it's applied here in the cart page, and also make sure that it's applied here on the checkout page as well. And that's it. That's how you install Klip Coupons on your Shopify store.